put it up close and in a certain position, it will look normal size at some point. But it isn't. See? Tiny. It's about like about 4 squares of the regular size one. It's tiny. It's about 4 squares. And it has a keychain on it. That's the thing that I hate. And if you know how to take it off, comment down there at the bottom of the video, because I would really like to take this off. I mean, I know how easy it is to take the blocks out, but then after I take the block with the keychain out, I don't know how to take it off. I sort of do know, but I like it easier. So I can't get that easy. And that really annoys me like that. But I can't take the keychain off, because it's always in my way when I try something, or when I do something. So then here's a good one, here's comparison. Right there. Big one, little one. Big one, little one. So let me show you the size cube. I can take it out. It's just not as easy to take it out. One of these ones. I don't want it to go flying. Here we go. And I'm going to take out the yellow-green one. You don't even have to try to get one of the small ones out. So here's the tiny one, here's the big one. You can't see it. I don't really know if you can see it or not. But look at that. It's like really tiny right there. Okay. First I dropped the small one, then I dropped the little. See? That's a small. And that's the big, little Rubik's Cube comparison. I'll put that in the wrong way. That's sort of loud. Compared to this tiny sound right here, if you can hear it, it's like a higher pitch. Not as loud, not as hard to take out. Actually, I force it out. So this one